Hey, what's going on, fragrance family? It's your man Gator, better known as the Novice Nose, out here in these fragrance streets. And man, if you can't tell that I am worn out, then I mean you can see it all in my eyes, man. I have been up since like 6 something this morning, running, knocking out a few errands and taking care of business, working, doing all that kind of stuff. And then, man, I mean, right now, it's around 12 midnight and I am still up. But the reason that I'm still up was when I got in, which was probably about 30 minutes ago, man. I fixed me a little drink to, do my little wind down and everything. And I noticed there was a box at the door. And that box was something I had been waiting on for a minute, man. These are 2 of the fragrances that I have been waiting on forever, man. So I'm going to do an unboxing right now. These are Spectre Wraith, as you can see right here, and Pisa, which is the new fragrance from Lattafa. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on both of those, or both of these, I should say. And I'm actually going to start out with the Spectre Wraith. Now, Spectre Wraith is a French Avenue fragrance world. They're specialty line here, and it's something I've been waiting on since the fragrance show in Dubai last year, man. I saw Neve over at Aromatics show the bottle, and as soon as he showed the bottle and showed and mentioned what it was cloning, I was like, I've got to get it, man, because one of the fragrances that touched my soul and really got me along the path of getting into fragrances wholeheartedly was Blackphantom from Bykilian, man. It is an amazing fragrance. I love that stuff, man. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and cop this, because I had been looking for a clone for it. I heard Alexandria has a pretty good clone, but when I saw this, I was like, I gotta get it. I was already kind of into the bottle style of the Spectre, with the bullet going through. This one just looked badass as hell because it was black, all black. So if you hear the wobbling, you hear the ripping and all that, I'm gonna try not to hurt your ears too much, because this mic picks up all of this stuff. So I apologize in advance, man. But yeah, open this up with me, man. This is something I've been waiting on since, oh my gosh, what does that smell? This smells like box. This smells like factory box. But yeah, so this is something I've been waiting on, like I said, since that show in Dubai. I think it was last August or September. Okay, so here's the box. I'm not really one for boxes and stuff like that, but I thought that this would be the perfect time to do an unboxing and first impressions on these, because they actually have nice boxes. So this is the Wraith box here. As you can see, it's got Wraith written on it. It's an interesting design on here. Look at that, the light seems better. There we go. All right, so Spectre Wraith, and on the back, of course, it's got your tag, the little digital tag there at the top, and then French Avenue written there. So this looks like it's gonna slide. So I'm gonna, ooh. All right, so I'm gonna do this so you guys can see it. All right, let me put it up here, and I'm gonna slide up. Come on, slide now. There we go. So, ooh, wow. Okay, so this is the bottle for Spectre Wraith. Man, I'm already loving this, man. So, excuse me, as I mentioned before, Spectre Wraith is a clone of Blackphantom. I actually saved some room right here. I had some clean spots for both of these on my hands. Oh man, look at that bottle, man. That's beautiful. I love that. It is different. Well, different-ish. But I love that bullet design. The bottle feels good to the hand. Let me see here. Top comes off pretty easily. Not a magnetic cap. Love those magnetics. But it is a secure cap. Let's see what it does in the air. Oh, not pressurized yet. There we go. Ooh, got a blew out. Ooh, just a little bit that I just got is good. So you see, the atomizer is not the best in the world. Let me get a little bit on the hand here though. So atomizer is not the best, but it's decent. It's definitely a decent atomizer. Let me take a look. Okay, so like I said, I'm a big fan of Black Phantom, and I got my bottle in the other room here. And I'll probably be doing a actual comparison between the two. But I like it, man. So Black Phantom goes into this dark chocolatiness, and you know, you get that booziness at the top with the dark chocolate, and this definitely nails that part. I mean, it's deep. It's deep like the Black Phantom is rich. I feel like there's something missing from it. I guess I got to figure that out. Like I said, this is a first impression. I think when I'm gonna spray one on this hand, one on this hand, and try to figure it out. But man, this is good. I look forward to wearing this, man. And you know how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear both of these actually and do a full review on those. You know, I do long videos. I do long form. I don't just do 2 fragrances. I mean, like 5 fragrances in a video, like a lot of these folks do. I, you know, actually have a purpose to what I'm doing. I'll put it right there for right now. Now, this is getting wafts of it. So this is good. That is really, really good. That is really, really good. I'm starting to notice there is maybe a subtle difference. It seems a little bit thinner than Black Phantom, but that maybe, like I said, it feels like it's missing something in there. But the fragrance is good though. It's a great profile. I love it. I love it, and it nails the DNA. Definitely a Phantom. So here's the second one. This is Lattafa Pisa. There's the Leaning Tower Pisa, which I don't think is actually leaning here. It's a beautiful box though. Definitely. Lattafa's been doing a lot as far as their boxes and their bottles go, man. They've been all in on the bottle styles, man. So let's see. Right out on the floor. Alright, so this is the box here. Pizza. Alright, intricate design, and this is slightly raised. This actually feels pretty good. Alright, let's see. Looks like there's a box in a box. Because there we go. So open it up the top. And oh, okay, so this Lattafa Pride book. I got more of these than I can count right now, man. I got Lattafa Pride books everywhere. Alright, so this is the inner box here. I love the feel of it, actually. It has this kind of almost feltish, cardboardish type feel. Alright, now this is the part that I heard is different about this. So I'm gonna do the unveil opening here. It opens as such, right? So there's the fragrance in the middle. That is a gorgeous bottle, by the way. My gosh, look at this. So this is, it's got kind of like a steel feel to it, right? Let me see if I can get it out. It's sitting in like a one of those little felt beds. You know how it goes with the pedestal, but it's like felt. So yeah, the inside of the box is interesting too. If you can kind of look on the inside, you see how it contours the entire bottle. This is beautiful, man. This bottle is heavy as hell too. You can knock a motherfucker out with this. But anyway, look at the bottom here. This is the Lattafa side, the Pisa. Let's see if it'll focus. But you see it, that mirror is gonna keep it from focusing. Got your top, and of course you got the actual bottle. This is beautiful, man. It's very detailed, very articulate. The name in the front as you can see, where it says Pisa on there. Beautiful, beautiful bottle. All right, let's see. All right, so a click into place cap, not magnetic, but clicks into place. Just nice, nice. So I'm hearing things about this particular fragrance. One of the things you'll notice on a lot of my videos is that I will always say, you know, hey, I didn't get the clone of this because it's a clone of Tygar, and, you know, fuck Tygar. This is actually, from what I'm hearing, a little bit of an inspired by of Tygar. I don't have a problem with the scent DNA per se. It's more, you know, a bad experience with chasing after that particular fragrance and then, you know, smelling it and being like, oh, that's it? Like, this really, you know? But I'm hearing that this is like got a little bit of a twist to it. So let me do a little spray here. Okay, so so at the top, it kind of comes off a little bit. Let's spray a little bit more to see if I'm thinking what I'm thinking. It comes off a little bit like, you know what it kind of smells like at the top? It kind of smells like imagination, right? I happen to have a decant of imagination right here, I believe. Yeah, I do have a small decant. Because I'm thinking about going ahead and getting the bottle. So let's see something. Just do a little bit of a. And this is a little bit more intricate than I was planning to do for this. It's supposed to be a first impression, but this just struck me. So let me see here. So imagination is sweeter. This seems to, I think is what it is that it's a little bit aromatic and a little ginger forward in the front. It has that same type of zing in it that imagination has at the top. It's just the imagination seems a little bit more citrusy and a little bit more earthy than this one. But this is really good. I love the opening of this, and I'm getting the musk coming in here. This is nice. This is real nice, man. This is summer. This is actually a really nice summer scent. I'm gonna play around with this one a little bit. Spectre Wraith is more of a fall and winter type of scent. So what I'm probably going to do is once I do my testing on it, I'm going to put it away and let it macerate and get good and ready for the fall, where it's going to debut like gangbusters, right? This one is going to come into action real quick and real early, man, this summer, man. It's starting to change already. I'm picking up more of the citrus. It's almost like more of an orangey type of citrus too. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend some time with this one, man. This thing is heavy. This bottle is, watch this. I should have told you cover your ears. Man, this thing is heavy. It is heavy. It is durable. Like I say, you can knock a boy out with this thing, but I like it. I like it a lot, man. I'm looking forward to wearing both of these out and really experiencing them. Especially this one now. I've got an imagination clone off or inspired by off coming up, a video that I have with Nordstag Trois and Spirit of Dubai. That's why I had the imagination one there, but man, similar in the DNA and the opening, but this is definitely not imagination clone. This is, as I'm getting the musk now, this is starting to go tigerish. So, man, I am excited about both of these particular fragrances, man. I am excited to get to wear them out and see what they do, man. Hey, before you leave, before we go, before we part ways, make sure you like the video, man. It goes a long way for me. It is a completely free thing for you. Subscribe to the channel, man. I promise I'm not going to be sitting there bugging you, tapping on your window every day if you subscribe to my channel. And make sure that you hit that notification button so you know when I'm about to come out with a new video, man. Man, I am excited. I was so tired that I didn't think I was gonna, be able to do any content tonight. But when I saw these boxes at the box at the door, I was like, oh, I gotta get it. Man, I'm excited about wearing these out now. I done perked myself up. I might have to go put on my dancing shoes, man. Well, that's all I got for tonight, man. I'll see you guys later. And you got full reviews on both of these coming soon. Peace out.